Ever sat in a meeting and thought, why is nobody listening to me? You're the only one who actually knows how the system works. You have solved the outages. You have automated half the processes. But when decisions are made, it's like you are invisible. And that is not a you problem. It's a communication gap. And today we are going to fix that. Let me tell you about Ali, a brilliant cloud engineer from Toronto. I coached him recently. He was the kind of a guy who could migrate a contact center to AWS in his sleep. But when CIO was in the room, he froze. Why? Because he kept talking in features. He talked about latency, failover, high availability, all important stuff, but not in the language the CIO understood. So what happened? A consultant who barely knew the technology but could talk business outcomes walked away with all the credibility. This is happening everywhere. Engineers get ignored not because they are wrong, but because they are misunderstood. Let's get real. Executives don't care how the API works. They care how to reduce customer churn, speeds up service delivery, and cuts $1 million from annual cost. So when we keep saying Kafka integration or machine learning model, they hear expensive black box. To stand out, engineers need to translate technology into business value. And no, this is not about becoming a salesperson. It's about becoming a business influencer. Here is a simple 3-step method I use with my coaching clients. Understand the why behind your project. Who is funding it? What business KPI does it affect? Shift from features to outcomes. Don't say this tool uses AI to analyze data streams. Say this reduces manual reporting time by 70%, giving your team back 15 hours a week. Number 3, present like a business leader. Use analogies. Use numbers that matter to the business. Speak the language, not yours. Let me go back to Ali. After just 2 sessions of working on his messaging and presentation style, he started getting invited to executive briefings. He wasn't just the guy who made things work, he became the guy who explained why it mattered. And now he's getting career growth, stock options, and respect. Not because he's the loudest in the room, but because he is the clearest. Listen, I have taken this journey myself. From being the guy stuck behind dashboards and configs to presenting directly to VPs and closing $1 million deals. And if you're ready to do the same, I want to help you. Book a 1-to-1 coaching call with me, link in the description below. Let's sit down, map out your path, and turn your technology background into business level influence. It's time to stop being ignored and start being in demand.